In other news, the DepEd's preliminary budget hearing earlier today, the issues of timely construction of over 160,000 was the top talking point in the grilling of DepEd Chief Sonny Angara. In addition, he had to parry accusations of putting sex education in the curriculum of third-grade students and assured the panel his office had taken care of the controversy over ghost senior students receiving vouchers. Our Hardy Valbuena has more.
At the hearing of the House Committee on Appropriations on the proposed 928.52 billion peso 2026 budget of the Department of Education or DepEd, Secretary Sonny Angara raised the recurring problems in the education sector, including the shortage of 165,000 classrooms nationwide. According to Angara, construction of over 100,000 classrooms under public-private partnerships is expected to begin next year. The construction will consist of 3 packages. But Second Congressional Commission on Education or EDCOM-2 co-chairman, Representative Roman Romulo, doubts that PPPs will resolve classroom shortage.
Even if we go through PPPs, there will still be a bidding procedure. Even if you say that you will give it to the local governments, there will still be a bidding procedure. So the issue on funding and bidding will still be there, no matter what mode that you are proposing under the PPP. So please enlighten Congress on how this is the panacea for the classroom shortage.
Bulto-bulto po yung pagbibid. So the difference will be that rather than bidding just 10 classrooms or 20 classrooms, you'll be bidding 1,000 classrooms, Your Honor.
Under the proposed 2026 budget of DepEd, 13.2 billion pesos will be allocated for the construction of classrooms and 6.1 billion pesos for classroom repair and rehabilitation. Representative Romulo also got angry after the DepEd disowned a document on the comprehensive sexuality education for kindergarten to grade 3.
So you're denying this, that this is a DepEd document?
Madam Chair, I need po to see the document for me to say that.
Come on, Madam Chair, can she take a look? 1 minute.
While Angara wasn't able to confirm the authenticity of the document, he assured review of the curriculum to ascertain that sexuality education remains respectful of cultural standards. Meanwhile, Angara also confirmed they already filed cases against 7 private schools over allegations of having ghost students that received senior high school vouchers.
May criminal cases ho tayo with the total amount involved of 61.9 million.
On the overpriced laptops anomaly way back 2021, Akbayan Representative Chel Jokno proposed the designation of a deputy ombudsman who will just focus on overseeing education and social services sector. DepEd welcomes this, saying stealing funds intended for education is the worst kind of corruption. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.